often do I need to charge this?
This?
No, the 2 outdoor cameras.
So it's every 6 months.
Oh wow, they hold the charge that long.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Every 6 months, you change out the batteries to those, and they'll be good for another 6 months. So even if you wanted to, if you didn't want to go through the hassle that you just order up more batteries and just switch them out once they charge. They take about 5 hours to charge, so.
Okay.
Or per it says 5 hours. I hate flatheads.
Do you want me to swap out the bit for you?
I already got it. I just hate the idea of them. Okay, so that's still good for channel. Okay. Cool.
You don't need to get ready this way, buddy. Just relax. Yeah, just relax. Good. Yeah, just all good.